Can I try my new frock again?
Of course, dear.
I want to see how it looks.
Go ahead and wear it.
Mom, it feels a little tight.
Let me see.
The sleeves are also a little small.
You are right.
It's not very comfortable.
I also noticed something about the stitching.
What is it?
The stitching on the side looks loose.
Oh yes, I see it now.
That is not good quality.
What shall we do?
We might need to return it.
Can we change it for another one?
Yes, we can ask the shopkeeper.
I hope he understands.
Don't worry, we have the receipt.
Okay, Mom.
We will visit the shop tomorrow. Alex, there is a problem with the frock.
What happened?
The stitching is not good.
Really?
Yes, and it is also a little small for her.
That's unfortunate.
She cannot wear it comfortably.
Did you check it carefully?
Yes, the side stitching is loose.
Then we should return it.
I was thinking the same.
Do we still have the receipt?
Yes, I kept it in my bag.
Good thinking.
I hope the shopkeeper accepts it.
Most shops allow exchanges.
Our daughter was a little sad.
We will get her a better dress.
That will make her happy again.
Let's go to the shop today.
Yes, after lunch.
Sounds good.
Hello, welcome back.
Hello. We bought a frock here yesterday.
Yes, I remember.
Unfortunately, there is a small problem.
Oh, what happened?
The stitching is not very good.
Let me take a look.
Also, it is a little small for my daughter.
I see the stitching issue.
It becomes tight when she wears it.
Thank you for telling me.
We wanted to ask if we can return it.
Of course, that is not a problem.
Really?
Yes, customer satisfaction is important.
Thank you very much.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Perfect.
We appreciate your help.
You are welcome.
Thank you for understanding.
I'm sorry about the inconvenience.
That's okay.
Sometimes stitching problems happen.
I understand.
I will accept the return happily.
That's very kind of you.
Would you like a refund or exchange?
We would prefer another dress.
That's a good idea.
My daughter still needs an Eid dress.
We have many beautiful options.
That sounds great.
Please feel free to look around.
Thank you.
I can also help you choose.
That would be helpful.
Let's find a better one.
My daughter will be happy.
We want our customers to be satisfied.
I appreciate your attitude.
It's my pleasure.
Let's see the dresses.
Here are some new dresses.
They look beautiful.
Mom, I like the blue one.
Yes, it looks elegant.
This one has strong stitching.
That's good to hear.
The fabric is also very comfortable.
Can I try it?
Of course.
The fitting room is there, right?
Yes, just behind that curtain.
I will try it now.
Take your time.
I think it will suit her.
I hope it fits well.
Let's see.
Mom, I'm coming out.
Wow, it looks lovely.
The size seems perfect.
It feels comfortable.
That's wonderful.
I'm glad you like it.
Alex, what do you think about this dress?
It looks very nice.
The size fits her perfectly.
That's great.
The stitching also looks strong. Much better than the previous one.
Our daughter seems happy.
Yes, she's smiling again. Do you think we should take it?
Definitely.
The shopkeeper was very helpful.
Yes, he has good customer service skills.
He accepted the return happily.
That's very kind.
I'm glad we came back.
Me too.
This dress is even better.
Our daughter deserves it.
Then let's buy it.
Yes, let's do that.
I'll tell the shopkeeper.
Okay.
We would like to take this dress.
Excellent choice.
Thank you for your help earlier.
You are most welcome.
The new dress fits perfectly.
I'm glad to hear that.
Please exchange it with the previous one.
Certainly.
Do we need to pay anything extra?
No, the prices are the same.
That's great.
I will pack it nicely.
Thank you.
Here is your new dress.
The packaging looks beautiful.
We prepared special eat bags.
That's lovely.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
I hope your daughter enjoys it.
She definitely will.
Eid Mubarak in advance.
Alex, I think the new dress was a better choice.
Yes, the quality is much better than the first one.
And the price was the same.
That was surprising.
I thought we might have to pay more.
Me too, but the shopkeeper was fair.
The cost of the dress is reasonable.
Yes, it fits our budget perfectly.
We also didn't need to pay any extra money.
That helped us save a little.
I always try to stay within budget when shopping.
That's a good habit.
The shopkeeper even gave us a small discount.
Really? That's great.
Yes, it made the deal even better.
Smart shopping always includes checking prices.
And comparing cost before buying.
Exactly, that helps us avoid wasting money.
I'm happy we made a better decision this time.
Me too, the dress is worth the price.
Our daughter will enjoy wearing it.
Yes, and we stayed within our budget.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.